Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OPPO A6x. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So if you're using the 3.5mm jack or the USB-C headphones, test them with another device and make sure that they're working. Next, inspect the charging port right at the bottom and the jack for any visible damage or dirt inside of it. The dirt inside of it basically blocks all the connection, so that's why your headphones may not be detected and you definitely do not want it. Now we want to restart our phone by pressing the power and the volume up button. Here we're gonna swipe up to restart, and now the phone is restarting. So as you guys can see, this will resolve any minor issues on your device because it refreshes our system. So I'll see you guys in a second when it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is, if they are still not working, then try another pair of headphones. So test with a different pair of headphones to rule out any issues with your original ones. This is a very simple test. You just plug in another headphones and see if they're working. If not, then the issue is definitely either with the ports or the old headphones itself. Now, what you guys want to do next is check for software updates. So this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones right here. This is the first thing for the Bluetooth and last thing for wired. Let's go over to settings and scroll all the way down to system and update. Here we're gonna click software update at the top, and it will check for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi connection, and in a few seconds you should see the results. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software without any old glitches. So next, what you guys want to do for the Bluetooth headphones is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So my Bluetooth is already turned off, but if it was on, then it will look like this. I will just tap on the switch, wait a couple of seconds, and then tap again. Now it will refresh all the devices available to connect. And next, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you got your headphones paired right here, make sure to forget them and repair them. So you pair headphones, every single headphone you pair is paired a different way. So there's no a straight tutorial, just make sure that you put your device in the pairing mode. And make sure to avoid another device interference, because even what we did for those Bluetooth headphones, if your other device is connected to the same headphones, then maybe it's just catching the connection faster, and your phone cannot do that so quick. So that's why you may not be able to connect your headphones into the phone. After that, make sure to charge them fully. It's very important, because once I've had a situation where my headphones were at 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to a full 100, including the case, they connected without any issues. And lastly, what you guys want to do is reset the network and Bluetooth settings. This is to reset all the settings. You will of course lose everything from the saved Bluetooth devices to even Wi-Fi networks. So you go to system and update, backup and reset, and then reset phone at the bottom. Here you will choose the first option, which is reset network and Bluetooth settings, and this will reset your Wi-Fi networks, your network connections, your Bluetooth connections, so every single device that you ever paired, and the mobile network settings. But there's no other way around it. As you guys can see, you just tap here and they will be reset. So there's no other way as just deleting the Bluetooth. You need to reset Wi-Fi and mobile network settings too. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.